Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're talking about three expressions that are very confusing. It's a very common mistake with my students, and we're going to learn how to use them correctly. Care about, take care of, and care for. The first expression, care about. Care is your action or verb. About is the connector or preposition. I care about something means it's important to me. I care about my students. They are important to me. Let's practice. Do you care about your students?
Yes, I care about my students.
Does she care about her students? Very good. Do you care about the environment?
Yes, I care about the environment.
Do you care about the environment? Very good. I don't care about politics. Do you care about politics?
No, I don't care about politics.
Do you care about politics? Very good. Using the expression care about, it's more common to talk about things. I don't care about politics. I care about the environment, things. But if you have an action or a verb, we're going to make it in a gerund with ing. Example with an action. Buying a car. I don't care about buying a car. I take public transportation. Do you care about buying a car?
No, I don't care about buying a car. I take the bus to work.
Do you care about buying a car? Very good. Expression, take care of. Remember, the connector is of. Never take care about or take care for. Always take care of. I take care of my family means I give them food. I feed my children. I give them a bath. I make sure they have clothes. I take care of my family. I take care of my children. Do you take care of your children?
Yes, I take care of my kids.
Do you take care of your children? Very good. Do you take care of your dog?
Yes, I take care of my dog.
Do you take care of your dog? Very good. Do you give your dog a bath?
Yes, I give my dog a bath.
Do you walk your dog?
Yes, I walk my dog.
Do you feed your dog?
Yes, I feed my dog.
Do you take good care of your dog?
Yes, I take good care of my dog.
Do you take good care of your pet? Very good. Also, we use take care of for things, to take care of something. If you have a problem and you need to solve the problem, you take care of it. So I'm very busy. I need to call the doctor, make an appointment. I'll take care of it. Are you very busy today?
Oh yes, I'm very busy today.
Do you need to call the doctor to make an appointment?
Yes, I need to call my doctor.
When will you take care of it?
I think I'll take care of it later today.
Do you need to call the doctor? When will you take care of it? Very good. The third expression is care for. Care is your action, and for is your connector. Care for is not very common. I don't recommend students use it, but you might hear it. Also, care for is confusing because we use it in three ways. Let's talk about it. One way we use care for is like or love. I care for her. I like her. Also, we use it in a negative when you don't like something, not a person, but a thing. I don't care for heavy metal music. It's the same as I don't like. I don't really like it. I don't care for it. For things, not for people. For negative, only for things. And we use it sometimes like take care of. She cares for an elderly woman. She takes care of her. Are they boyfriend and girlfriend?
Yes, they're a boyfriend and girlfriend.
Do they care for each other?
Yes, they care for each other.
Do they care for each other? Very good. Do you like country music?
No, I don't care for country music.
Do you like country music? Very good. So remember how to use the three expressions. Care about, I care about something, it's important to me. I don't care about it, it's not important. take care of. I take care of my children. I take care of my pets. Care for is a little more confusing. You might hear it sometimes. But the most important is take care of and care about. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, watch it again, keep practicing, and tell a friend about it. Thank you.